What are the prompts, right? Until now, whatever the tools, whatever the programming languages, right? Or any of the analysis tool, right? The analyst uses Tableau, right? You uses the Power BI, right? Coders use the Java, C++, right? Any other technology, right? All of these tools, all of these things are doing what? They are following the instructions. They are following the instructions. What kind of instructions? The instructions are very simple, that how you give the instruction that write the program, and which basically does let's say create a calculator, right? And it will follow the instruction. It will just design the things for you, whatever the instruction you have put up. What are the prompts to AI? They are the same thing. They are the instructions, right? Prompts are what? They are the instructions to the AI, right? Instruction. But this time, this prompt, the more better you put, the more better answer you get.